Should you pass it? I don't even want to throw this glass.
Yeah, man, we about to unbox the 50 Cent headphones. I don't know what the fuck the name of them is. Take a look, bitches.
Yeah, Mike.
Let me see the back of this thing real quick.
Thank you. I appreciate it a lot.
It's my man 50 right there.
Yeah.
Yo, what's these like 270? How much they costing?
Like $250.
That's tax and shipping.
The shipping was free.
Yeah, that's why it took so goddamn long.
Yeah, if you want.
That's why it took so goddamn long.
Now, how do you open this motherfucker?
Oh, you gotta pay for that. I'll open it. That's extra. You go on YouTube. YouTube shows you how to open that shit.
He about to break the box. Fuck it, we can't open it, just break it.
There you go, what's that?
Yeah, okay.
Trying to tell him, yo. The shit slides.
There you go.
This is 50.
Nigga, all the muscles in the gym and you can't pull that shit upwards. That's sad, bro.
What are you talking about?
Hey, come in a pouch. A nice little 50 pouch. Yeah.
That shit look like a big nutsack.
What else came in this bitch? Got the little booklet.
That's it.
Damn, they tiny. I thought they was bigger. They look huge on the box. They wireless too, right?
Yep.
You got your stickers too.
Bluetooth. You don't want no fucking sticker.
They fucking sold.
Got a little white cloth and shit. Cause that shit shines, so they want you to cloth it up.
Nigga, grab the yellow shit from upstairs.
You stupid.
Don't even open that up.
Instructions.
Basically, that's it.